We got some, what is this? Convertible refrigerator freezer. Unboxing. So it's gonna be over here. We already switched the other stuff over here. We thought it's a little bit smaller, but I guess not. It's pretty tall too. Lucky. It still have a lot of room from that to here. Now we have an extra fridge slash freezer. Because we need to organize our freezer. Oink. Did it what is that? Paper cut you? Or electric? Oh my god. Here it is. That's why we liked it. Because we can separate at least the meat. So chicken, seafood, pork, and beef, blah, 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 blah. Yun na yun. And then some other stuff there. Kaya maganda siya. And we can convert it to a fridge also. So next time, when this one breaks, we're just probably gonna have another one of these. So one freezer and one refrigerator. O diba bongga? It's worth it. Oh, galing. Oh, he's gonna put the handle down, sabi niya. So Hazen brand. I don't really know what brand that is, but looks nice. Hopefully, it's durable. That's what's important. Durability. Let's see how long this thing will last. And not just that, it's pretty cheap at Costco. It was how much?
After everything, $379.
But before the discount? Because where's the receipt? Yeah, it was $429 and the discount is $80, so it went down to, let me see. So that's the price. From $429.99, discount $80, down to $349.99 plus tax, so $379.30. Not bad. It's pretty cheap for a very tall fridge. You can fit a lot in there already. My god, my god, my god. Happy. It's worth it.